With the help of his former gang, he escaped prison and underwent surgery to change his appearance. He assumed a new identity and settled down in the Northern Water Tribe. That's where he met my mother, a warm, caring woman.
Cora, we should get moving.
It's not enough.
It will be just like the good old days.